We all love a classic plate of dosa. But have you tried making a taco dosa? Let's take you through a few quirky recipes. Our empty cast iron ultra smooth dosa tawa is just out for this. Starting with my favorite filling, pasta. You can also use mac and cheese, and if you want something spicy, then you can add red sauce pasta as well. Lately, I have tried a lot of noodle dishes like noodle samosa, noodle kachori. So I thought, why not try out the noodle dosa? I'm sure everybody loves Pav Bhaji. So I thought of giving my next taco dosa a South Indian and North Indian mix. We often worry what shall we do with our leftover food items, like for example chili chicken. Well, worry no more and turn it into a chili chicken dosa. Next is a healthy taco dosa. A healthy taco dosa a day keeps your diet at a swing. Have you ever tried the combination of pizza and dosa? No? Then you need to try it ASAP. Cheese never disappoints. You can also add halwa to your dosa to turn it into a dessert. Next in line, we have Paneer Tikka Dosa. Do not worry, we didn't forget the vegetarians. Chocolate Taco Dosa? Yes, please. Last but not the least, Egg Roll Dosa, the most easiest and delicious one. Now it's your turn to try out the recipes. Do let us know which one you're going to try today.